Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, quick video. I got everything repaired. Now it's time to stain. And what I'm using is a semi-solid Cabot Oak Brown. Okay? Oak Brown, which will match that. We have already did a sample test and it works perfect. Dead on the money. Alright, there's my products. My paintbrush, the 3-inch taper, and the object. Now I know for a fact, because we've already tested it, it's exactly that shade, that tint. Okay? What's pre-existing. We did it twice at the store and we got an exact match. Now, this is pretty clean over here. In fact, it looks actually good. The problem you'll run into is if you tint over this, you're going to bring this one shade darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from here over and roll this. Finished all the repairs this morning. Got it all screwed in, all buttoned up. So all the handrails now, the top rails are fixed. I hammered in all the loose nails, or the ones that are backing out. There was about 30 of them. Got those knocked in. And what I'll do is I'm going to go after these top surfaces first. I'm going to work this upper level picket, and then work my way down these stairs, back myself out of here, and then come up on the other side over here, and then I'm going to roll this over here until I get all the way over there, and then I'll paint that staircase going down, and then a small one up there. It's going to take me 3 days to do this. This is a lot of staining work, but if I get busy right now, I'm gonna put a dent in it today. Alright guys, you know what to do. This is when the boring part comes in. 3 days of doing nothing but freaking painting. Oh my God. Love you. You guys have a blessed day. See you later. Tom out of here.